How's it going, YouTube, and welcome to Fuel Therapy. My name's Igor, and in this little mini series of videos what I'm going to show you is my Raleigh Mag 20 bike. I got it when I was 2 years old, and I was obviously way too young to ride it, so it's kind of been in storage in my house, which is abroad, where I kind of spent the first few years of my life. And yeah, it's been thrown in the basement. I did use it when I come on holiday over here when I was a kid as well, but it's pretty much fallen apart and kind of rusting away a little bit. I'm going to try and restore it best I can back in the UK. So the first thing I'm going to do with this mini series is getting it to the UK. So I'm going to break it right down now for you, take it apart, and hopefully it'll fit in a suitcase. And yeah, stay tuned, subscribe to keep up to date with this series. I am a full noob when it comes to push bikes. I'm going to be learning as I go along, and the bike was literally going to rust away into nothing anyway over here, so I am going to try and restore it.